Hi guys, today I will show you this Michael Kors watch battery change. And yeah, what are you gonna do? Need to have this tool, watch cover opener. As you see, there's a couple of channel here. See here, maybe 5 or 6 channel here, as you see right there, and here also there is a pin, right. These are coming on that channel right there, but you have to open it. There is a, opening, closing, tightening, like these two things comes together with this. If you turn it, and it comes together. If you want to open it and just open it more, that you can put at this two prong inside the two this channel. Then, but you can put it three of them. But in case that this third one is not reaching the channel, and you can use two of them. Yeah, in this case, face is too big. I'm gonna use only these two. Okay, let's go and put that inside the channel. Yeah, other one also right there. Let me open a little bit more. Like this. Turning this way, it opens. And let's try again. Right this hole. And the other ones. Right there. Okay. Let's turn a little bit more. We need to open it. Hold on. Okay, right there. Two prongs inside and inside the channel. So what are you gonna do? Hold it, this tool very strongly, and push underneath from the watch, and just see it's turning. Did you see? Like, see. Then a little bit more. You have to try the other side now. Put the channel, and just if it's you lose it, and you can use the finger. Yeah, you can use the tongue. See, take it out. Like this, right there. Okay, right here. Let's see where is the battery. As you see, battery is under that plastic case. Let's move this plastic. That's right. Take that out. Okay. What you do? Come and you see right there. Again, as you see there, previous channels, videos actually, I showed you guys. You just used this pin right there, and let me see. This is the same maybe. Yeah, and this watch, I think this you just push this one, as you see. Then battery comes. Do you see that? Yeah, battery itself comes. Push this pin. See, has jumped. All right, and you will look the size of battery is written is right there, and check the number. and buy exactly the same one. Then after that, you just put the battery same place, like that, like this, and just wait there. But you have to push the battery while this pin, do you see this pin? Just pull it to your side and push it at the same time to your battery. That way is battery goes in the hole. Alright, this is the way it is. So then after that you just cover it like this. Then tight the cover with this tool, as I show you guys. So that's it. This is the way you can change the battery on this watch. And thank you for watching, and see you soon with another video. Alright guys, bye, thank you.